everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to be working on how to fix the secure boot and TPM 2.0 error in Valorant. You need to ensure the security features are enabled in your computer's BIOS/UEFI settings. Here's a general guide. Let's go. First, you need to access your BIOS/UEFI settings. How do you do this? Restart your computer. During the initial boot screen, press the designated key. Now this designated key might be delete, F2, F10 or escape. It depends on your computer, so please check your manual. To enter the BIOS UEFI settings, the key is often displayed on the screen during startup. So they'll tell you this key to display to press once you start up the computer. Next, enable TPM 2.0. Navigate through the BIOS, like on your BIOS anyway. Navigate through the BIOS/UEFI menu to find a section related to Trusted Platform Model, which is TPM. This might be under Security, Advanced, or a similar category. Next, ensure that the TPM is enabled and set to use TPM 2.0 if it's available. Some motherboards might have options for PTT, that is Platform Trust Technology, instead of TPM. Save your changes and exit the BIOS/UEFI settings. Next, you have to enable the secure boot. You find the secure boot option within the BIOS/UEFI settings. It's usually under security or boot. Then you enable secure boot and save the changes. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Next thing you can do is to check Windows settings. Simply go to Updates and Security, click on Recovery. Now how do we get here? Well, first click on the Start menu, click on Settings, then click on Operational Security, click on Recovery. Now you can also do Advanced Startup. Click Restart, and once Restart now under Advanced Setup, so you can click Restart Now, which will be under Advanced Startup. Then you can also troubleshoot by clicking on Troubleshoot after getting to the Update and Security. Then click on Advanced Options, click on UEFI Firmware Settings, and click on Restart. Also, double check that both TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are enabled in your UEFI settings. Additional tip is to check for BIOS or BIOS updates. Update your motherboard's BIOS latest version. This can sometimes resolve compatibility issues and improve performance. Hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.